It's easy to configure the analysis applied by RVS through the RVS Project Manager. On the Analysis page, you can view the structure of your source code using different aggregation methods. For example, you can view your source structure by folder, file, or function. Alternatively, you can visualize and explore your code's call tree, or even open a view of the source code to examine it in detail. You can review your current analysis settings at a glance and remove or edit them easily from the context menu. You can refine your analysis for each function, giving you precise control over how your code is instrumented and the metrics that RVS collects. If you have resource constraints, you can work around them by removing or excluding functions from analysis. For coverage integrations, you can change the instrumentation level for sections of your code to reduce instrumentation overheads. For timing integrations, as well as changing your instrumentation manually, you can make use of Rapita's time bands feature to refine your instrumentation automatically. This lets you automatically reduce instrumentation in functions with a high execution density or exclude functions for analysis based on other criteria, such as excluding simple functions or subtrees with no branches. If you're working with third-party code, you may want to change your analysis settings as a result. For example, in a coverage integration where you're using third-party code that has already been tested for coverage, you may want to ignore sections of the code from your analysis. After selecting to ignore such functions, coverage for them will no longer be considered necessary for 100% coverage. In a timing integration where you're using third-party code that has already been analysed for worst-case execution time, you can specify these results for each function and they will show up in your report. When you change any analysis settings, RVS automatically carries out a static analysis on the affected source files, so you can run your integration right away to collect a refined set of results.